Topic: Subject and tasks of commodity science and expertise of animal raw materials. Lecture 1. Plan 1. Goals and objectives of the subject of commodity science. 2. Theoretical foundations of commodity science. 3. Chemical composition, quality, useful properties of food products. 4. Classification and range of food products. 5. Food standardization. Commodity science is a scientific discipline that studies the use value of food products. Commodity science studies food products as commodities, that is, their consumer, useful, properties. The main task of merchandising is the study of the quality of goods. The tasks of merchandising are study of the factors of formation and preservation of the quality of food products, identification of optimal conditions conducive to further improvement of the quality of food products, study, development and improvement of methods for assessing and controlling the quality of food products, studying the classification, patterns of formation and ways to optimize the range of food products, study of the norms and methods of rational consumption of food products. Commodity science as a scientific discipline develops on the basis of dialectical materialism, physics, chemistry, biochemistry, microbiology, and is closely connected with production technology, nutritional physiology, and economic sciences. Knowledge of physics, chemistry, biology, microbiology is used in the study of the chemical composition, physical and chemical properties of goods and the processes occurring in them during storage, as well as in the study of methods for researching and preserving food products. The main properties, quality features, of food products that determine their usefulness and ability to satisfy human nutritional needs are the following: nutritional value, physical and taste properties, appearance, taste, smell, texture, food safety, absence of salts of heavy metals and toxins in the product, poisons released by microorganisms, as well as pathogens of invasive diseases, readiness for use and storage. The nutritional value of food products is determined by the composition and ratio of chemicals, digestibility, energy and biological value, the content in a certain ratio of essential amino acids, vitamins, minerals, polyunsaturated fatty acids. The chemical composition of food products is diverse and depends on the chemical composition of the feedstock, the technological regime and method of production, storage conditions, transportation, and other factors. The composition of food products includes inorganic and organic substances. Inorganic substances include water and minerals. Organic, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, enzymes, vitamins, acids, coloring, aromatic substances, etc. The ratio of these substances in the products, their physico-chemical state and properties are not the same. This, in turn, determines the most important quality indicators: color, taste, smell, consistency, digestibility, energy and biological value of food, as well as the conditions and terms of their storage. Quality is a set of product properties that determine its suitability to meet certain needs in accordance with its purpose. A product quality indicator is a quantitative characteristic of one or more properties of a product that make up its quality, considered in relation to certain conditions of its creation and operation or consumption. If the quality indicator characterizes only one property of the product, then it is called a single one, and if there are several properties, then it is called a complex one. Single quality indicators are, for example, the porosity of bread, the strength of pasta, the size of potato tubers, vegetables and fruits, the acidity of milk. An example of a comprehensive indicator of the quality of fresh potatoes, vegetables and fruits can be their appearance, which simultaneously takes into account shape, color, freshness, mechanical damage, pests and diseases, pollution and other signs. Quality indicators can be direct and indirect. Direct quality indicators directly characterize the nutritional value or consumer advantages, for example, the content of carbohydrates, proteins, fats or vitamins in products. Indirect indicators are closely related to the main properties of the product and can indirectly characterize its quality. These include indicators of the ash content of flour and confectionery, the density of milk, alcohol, and other products. The integral quality indicator is determined by the ratio of the total beneficial effect obtained during the consumption or operation of products to the total costs of its creation, consumption, or operation. A generalized quality indicator is a complex indicator of product quality related to such a set of its properties, according to which it was decided to evaluate the quality of products. It allows you to express the quality of several indicators by a single number and is used, for example, when scoring the quality of products. The total score of the product in points is a generalized indicator of its quality. The basic indicator characterizes the quality of products accepted in comparative evaluations as a sample or standard. The basic samples can be a planned or specific product, a standard, and other standards. It is used as a single, complex, and integral indicator. The relative quality indicator is determined by the ratio of the value of the product quality indicator to the value of the corresponding baseline indicator. It is expressed in abstract, dimensionless numbers or as a percentage. Classification is a systematized distribution of goods into separate groups according to the most common characteristics. It is widely used in commodity science, economics, trade organization, as it facilitates the planning and accounting of trade turnover, the study of goods, as well as working with them during transportation, storage, and trade organization. In commodity science, different types of classification are used: biological, industrial, educational, trade, etc. An assortment is a set of goods of various types and varieties, united according to a certain consumer, trade, or production characteristic. There are production and trade assortment. The production range is a set of goods of the same type produced by the production. For example, an assortment of barley cereals, pearl barley, and barley of all numbers. The trade assortment is formed from goods of different types and groups. According to the educational classification, food products are grouped according to their origin or basic raw materials, similarity of chemical composition and use. According to these signs, they are divided into 9 groups: grain products, fruits, vegetables, mushrooms and their processed products, starch and its processed products, sugar, honey, confectionery, flavoring products, tea, coffee, spices, flavoring seasonings, alcoholic, low alcohol and non-alcoholic beverages, etc., edible fats, vegetable oils, animal fats, margarine and cooking fats, milk and dairy products, meat and meat products, eggs and egg products, fish and fish products. This classification is most convenient for studying the consumer properties of food products. Food products are divided into varieties. There are natural, species, and commercial varieties. Natural varieties are determined by biological characteristics or species of plants and animals that have different consumer advantages as food or as raw materials for processing. In fruit and vegetable products, natural varieties of fruits are called pomological, natural grape varieties, ampellis graphic, and potatoes and vegetables, economic and botanical. A grade is a gradation of a certain type of product according to one or more quality indicators established by regulatory documentation. The variety characterizes the quality level of the product and is determined by its appearance, structure, chemical composition, taste and aromatic advantages. Standardization is the establishment and application of rules in order to streamline activities in a certain area for the benefit and with the participation of all interested parties, in particular, to achieve universal optimal savings while observing functional operating conditions, use, and safety requirements. A standard is a normative and technical document that establishes a set of norms, rules, requirements for the object of standardization and approved by the competent authority. The objects of standardization are not only material objects, products, articles, substances, but also norms, rules, requirements of organizational, methodological and general technical nature. Standards are developed based on the achievements of science, technology and best practices. Thank you for your attention.